Welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Today we're going to do a fast, simple, easy, but yet delicious pie. We're going to be doing pineapple pie. It comes with a very few ingredients. Now I know coming off of Thanksgiving, you really don't want to do all of that cooking because you did so much for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to make this real simple and easy for you. Let's get started with the ingredients. You're going to need a graham cracker crust, some whipped topping, can of pineapples. This is a larger can of pineapples. It's a 20 ounce. 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese. You want that to be softened. 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon full of sugar. That's all the ingredients that you're going to need. I'm going to go away, put the cream cheese in a bowl. I'll be okay, right now back. I'm back and I have 1 block of the softened cream cheese, which is an 8 ounce package of cream cheese. I have it in here. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more than half of, actually I'm going to go ahead and add it all. This is a 20 ounce can. I'm going to go ahead and add all of that. Now what you want to do is you only want to mix this up. And once you get this mixed up, this brings in your pineapple flavor. I'm going to start by blending my cream cheese. I have it on this side. And I did drain the pineapples. Now, as you can see, I mixed that. Now I'm going to add in my pineapples. Now what's going to allow this to set is going to be my cream cheese. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my sugar. Okay, now once I have all of that blended, I'm going to stop my blender and then I'm going to add in my topping. And I'm just going to fold that in. And this is still a little froze. Okay, now you don't want yours to be froze, because if it's froze, it's going to take just a little bit more blending, but that's okay. You're going to add that in. And I have my pie shell that's sitting there, my graham cracker crust. Okay. Now I've added in all of my whipped topping. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and I'm going to allow it to sit for at least an hour to 2 because you want this to get firm. Okay, now once you get everything all mixed up, which this is all mixed up, then you can put it into your pie shell. And it's going to be heaping when you put it into your pie shell. Y'all know I don't believe in throwing away nothing. There's really not that much in there, but I cleaned it out anyway. All right. Now this is ready. Just want to make certain that my whipping cream or my whipped topping is all blended. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into my pie shell. And as I told you, this is going to be heaping. That on the side. Okay, now I'm just going to spread this around in my pie shell. There you have it. Now, how quick and easy was that? End of it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put this dome on it because this is what you do with your domes normally. And that's just to show you. And you want to take off that little bit of glue part. But because I'm not going to use it anyway, and you could put it over your pie. But because my pie is high rising, I'm not going to do it. Or because it's kind of elevated inside, it has this dome on it, then I'm not going to put it on there. I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for 2 hours, and I'll bring you back, and I'll show you what that looks like when I get ready to cut it. Okay, now we're back. So I've just taken it out of the refrigerator, and I'll see if I can cut it. And you're supposed to allow it to sit for at least the 2 hours until it can set. All right. There it is. Chris is making pineapple pie. Now, this is a very good pie. I think that if you try it, you are truly going to enjoy it. I know that I did. I tasted a little bit that was on the that was left in the bowl. So I know that it's good. I know that it's fast. I know that it's easy. I'm gonna take a bite of it real quick. This is so good. And it is so easy to make. If you try this, you are truly going to enjoy it. That's what Chris is bringing you tonight. Chris is bringing you pineapple pie. Real quick, real easy, but very, very good. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris cooked for you too. Enjoy those books out there. Got a lot of compliments on them. Bye.